lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time meeting me, I specifically want to welcome you on here. My name is Ichechi. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in Ontario, Canada. This channel features my lifestyle, vlogs, life generally in Canada as a pretty new immigrant. If this is the kind of content that you are looking for, then you're in the right channel. Thank you for stopping by. Do not make it your last. Consider subscribing, hit the notification bell icon, and like this video. So today it's a lovely weekend here in Toronto, and pretty much we are waltzing out of the spring and into the summer. Today I have an appointment in town. It's actually going to be like a very busy weekend for me. I have like a craft to noon session, and today I'm going to learn how to make my own perfume. So come with me, let's go to downtown Toronto. I'm going to show you my fit before I head out. So the weather is pretty sunny, a little bit windy. So my top is by Zara, my pants or my shorts is by my girl LW Couture. I would leave her Instagram handle on this channel. You can check her out on Instagram. She makes very beautiful outfits, bespoke outfits. My bag is by Alexander Wang. Muse by MNG. So I'm ready. And the glow. We thank the Lord Jesus for the glow. And of course, the makeup is done by No One Is Touched. Check her out on Instagram.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
Yeah, this is absolutely.
I think it lasts longer.
It does, yeah. It does. It does last longer. Do you want to say hi? Tobacco. Yeah, absolutely my favorite. This is good. I'm really.
What is it like? So it actually
It's like a posh version of Toyota. Like, I'm here, but I'm soda and classic. I love it. Tonka bean. My favorite. Some of the fragrances do not instantly like bring forth the fragrance, like, so it's tricky because sometimes when you just press it's like I don't really like it, but when you go back again it's like, oh hey, I'm here, like, you know, it's just very subtle and
it is.
Yeah,
and
so.
even like if you don't like it alone, but then if you add it something else, that's a totally different fragrance too, right? So and for some people, like if you're going for floral, there will be a fragrance called aldehyde. So
It's right here. We just tried it right here.
Okay, perfect. So aldehyde is actually one of the main ingredients for Chanel No. 5. So
that's why
what,
it's easy.
what it does is actually it kind of like gives that powdery touch to your floral scents. So what you can do is, if you have some floral combination, have like a little, combination. Do it with aldehyde, without aldehyde, and see what, like how does it change? Do I like it or do I not like it? So that would be something fun too.
been such an eventful evening. I am right now at Kimberly Atelier. It was a perfume making crafting session. Guys, if you're looking for fun things to do in Toronto, I highly recommend things like this. If you're into arts and crafts and just general wellness and into scented candles and perfumes, then you would definitely like this perfume making session. I highly recommend. So it was such a beautiful time. For the first time in my life, I am making, or I did make, my own scent, and I'm sure you guys have seen all of that beautiful stuff. So it's been such a great time. I've learned about different fragrances. I've learned like mixtures and different components of what works best for you. So once again, I highly recommend. I don't know that they have more sessions, but I do think that they have. So if this is something that you're interested in, I would definitely be dropping the link and the handle, and you can thank me later. Guys, I trust that you are having a great time and you would not regret it. So I am signing out, and I'm in this beautiful patio with lush greens around me. And so see you later. Bye.